Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. In this episode, we explore how Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was commanded to openly declare the message of Islam, and how Makkah responded with fierce resistance. After 3 years of secret dawah, Allah commanded, "And warn your closest kindred," Surah Ash-Shu'ara 214. The Prophet climbed Mount Safa and called the tribes of Quraysh to warn them of a day of judgment. He asked, "If I were to tell you that an army is approaching, would you believe me?" They affirmed his truthfulness, but when he called them to worship only Allah, they mocked and rejected him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, began reciting the Quran openly and calling people to Islam with wisdom and patience. More people embraced the faith, including men and women from different tribes and social classes. The message of Tawheed, oneness of Allah, was revolutionary. The chiefs of Makkah were furious. They feared losing their political and economic power. They began persecuting Muslims, torturing Bilal, radiyallahu anhu, boycotting families, and spreading lies about the Prophet. Although Abu Talib had not embraced Islam, he continued to protect his nephew out of deep love and respect. This tribal protection prevented the Quraysh from physically harming the Prophet directly. The Quraysh imposed a harsh social and economic boycott on the Prophet's clan, Banu Hashim. For 3 years, they were forced to live in a valley, surviving on leaves and leather. The suffering was immense, but their faith remained unshaken. This phase of the Prophet's life shows us that standing for truth often comes with trials. Yet through perseverance and trust in Allah, Islam continued to grow despite all odds. In episode 5, we'll cover the year of sorrow, when the Prophet lost his beloved wife Khadijah, radiyallahu anha, and his protector Abu Talib, followed by the miraculous journey of Al-Isra wal-Miraj. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and follow this journey to strengthen your iman.